we both are environmental architects, and we've done a master's in environmental design. We share the same passion towards nature and also towards art. And in this exhibition, we're trying to create a blend of both. We wanted to give a message to the people about environmental crisis, climatic crisis, and we thought, why not pick waste and do something creative and show people that how trendy and fashionable it can be.
Yes, and basically the thing was, when we came back from our masters, we realized that waste is a big issue in this part of the world, and it's going to grow bigger. So we thought, why not use waste effectively? So we tried to create utility art, sculpture, art pieces, lifestyle products out of waste, and tried to give it trendier look so that it's easily acceptable in market. So this particular one is, we've named it as Himshila Light. It's basically it's an ice cave, and ice cave is like a special, very beautiful natural phenomena. And I actually happened to see ice cave while I was in Australia. It's called Genolin Caves, and they were like just beautiful. The message behind this particular product is it's an interesting ambient chandelier light, and the inspiration is an ice cave, and the message is to save melting glaciers and control climatic change. Australia, as we know, is the place for the coral reefs. And their coral reefs are just beautiful. They are just mesmerizing. So this particular table is from coral reef. Both the pieces are from waste cardboard tubes, and we've tried to utilize them in such a way that it can act as a utility art. This one is very interesting. It's called Suryamukhi, the sunflower table and chair. It's made out of waste tires and cycle tire tubes. It takes its inspiration from sunflower, which is one of the most important oilseed flower in the world. We've used tires because nowadays tire waste is like one of the biggest black carbon waste lying all over the world. So we're trying to address that issue with these two pieces. This particular product also comes from our animal theme. Basically a peacock with spreaded wing. It's made out of waste tire rims, and this is basically the traditional Bath work that we've done.
This one is out of waste tire rim covers, and what we're trying to make is it can be created as a wall art or ceiling art piece, and we've painted it with different animal patterns, which are on the verge of getting extinct, that are endangered species. So we're trying to give awareness to people.